What's going on YouTube? Jelani from JelaniTheMarketer.com back here with another video, and in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can use your resources to get started on YouTube for affiliate marketing. But before I actually dive into that, I want to make sure that you guys subscribe, hit that alert button, follow me on Instagram at JelaniTheMarketer, check out my blog.JelaniTheMarketer.com, and if you have any comments or suggestions, leave those down below, and let's get right into it. Alright, so first of all, if you think I'm speaking so fast, I am speaking that fast because I got some new caffeine and it is absolutely insane. It's called, I think, Rev something. One of my clients told me about it, and it just makes me like go so fast and like I can just focus, and it's insane. So that is why I'm speaking fast. But today's topic is going to be epic because I'm going to show you exactly the same way that I actually am able to pump out so much content is because I use my resources. And by resources, I mean the same tools that I use every single day. I'm able to kind of extract the functionality of those tools and then say, hey, I'm gonna make a YouTube video on this specific thing. Now on your screen right here you can see that I revamped my website, and on the website I have a part where it says resources. Now these are all the tools that I use every single day in my business. There's probably a few more that I just forgot about and I might have to add, but these are the same tools and the resources that I recommend for other people, right? Now why that's important is because then I can say first of all I have a list, right? I have a list of all the things that I use in my business, all these resources that I can go back and look at and take parts of and say, hey, I can make a video on this, right? So for example, let's say TubeBuddy here, okay? TubeBuddy has a lot of functionality to help people with their YouTube SEO, right? And it's a really great tool. But with that functionality, there comes a lot of points where people may not understand certain things. Therefore, I can go in TubeBuddy and extract certain things, right? And then I can come back to my YouTube video organizational sheet and then make a title, make a topic, and then plug my affiliate link. Now the cool thing about this is all these programs that I use just have an affiliate link. They have an affiliate program, and I'm pretty sure all the programs and resources that you use also have an affiliate program. Now this is really critical because that means that we can then film content on aspects of the actual resource of the program or the software, whatever the case may be, and then we can plug our affiliate link. This is how, and this is probably the easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing using YouTube, is just use the resources that you already use. You know how to use them, you're in them every single day. You just extract the little parts that you can make a video about, make a 5 to 7, 10-minute video talking about this one topic, and then you already have your affiliate link. Just plug your affiliate link and you can say to the audience, like I do all the time, click the link down below if you want to get access to this, or click the link down below if this helped you out in any way, right? So you want to use your resources that you already use, because to an extent you're an expert, right? You know something more than someone else does because you use it. You know how to use it, and there's lots of software out there that I don't know how to use where you probably do know how to use, and you can make a video just extracting the parts that may seem complicated, and then you can plug your affiliate link in the description and say, hey, if you want access to this, or you want to see how this works, or this is really cool, so I think you should get it for your business, right? Boom, plug the affiliate link. And I can guarantee you most of the software and programs out there have affiliate programs. So you want to make sure that when you are using YouTube for affiliate marketing, that you are talking on subjects that you are an expert on, right? Like not a quote-unquote expert, but an actual expert, meaning that you know how to use it better than most people. Therefore your content comes across as you being an authority figure, right? They really understand what you're saying because you are using these softwares every single day. You know how these functionalities work and how they're supposed to work. And when it comes to the screen, right, people like to be guided. People like to be guided by people who are of an authority, right? So when you come on screen and you're like moving really fast and you're like clicking around, you're like, okay, this does this, and if you do this, this will do that, and this is really cool, I think you should do this, right? And you're explaining and giving suggestions. People are like, oh my god, this person really did help me out. That is why they're more inclined to click the link, right? Because you are giving them value. You are someone that they see as an authority, and it doesn't matter if you're not really that a professional per se. It just means that you know how it works and you are explaining things well to people. Therefore, you're going to get more clicks on your video and more clicks on your affiliate link. I hope that makes sense, guys. So what I recommend doing is getting an Excel sheet kind of like this, and just plug all the different affiliate programs that programs that you use in your business every single day. Yeah, so you want to get a list of all the things that you use every single day, and then go into those programs, use them, and see what might seem complicated to someone else, and then make a video on YouTube about it, and then plug your affiliate link in the description. The more value you give, the more people are going to be inclined to click your link, and also they see you as an authority figure. They see you as someone of a position of power because of how well you know the program, right? So just get a list of affiliate links, right, or affiliate programs that you're a part of, or softwares that have affiliate programs that you think you can make a video on, and then you just plug the video idea, right? Literally, I just thought about this idea like 2 seconds ago, and I just plugged it in here, right? Easiest way to use YouTube for affiliate marketing. Boom. Right, this is this video, and I'm talking exactly what I'm preaching, right? Like, all these affiliate links are in my different videos here, and it's just really easy for me to actually talk about these things because of the fact that I use these programs. I understand how they work, and I can teach people how to use them because I actually use them, right? So this is probably one of the easiest ways, is to kind of just get programs that you use every day, get their affiliate link if it has an affiliate program. If it doesn't, you know, you can still make videos on it, and maybe plug you know, one of your own resources, maybe plug your group, maybe plug a cheat sheet, right? You can plug other things as well if the program doesn't have an affiliate program. But most software companies and programs do have affiliate programs, and if you're using it on a daily basis, you are more likely to understand how it works than someone else, and you can become a position of authority on YouTube. Okay, so make sure you do this. Jot out a list of all the programs that you use, and then you can start jotting down ideas for videos for specific functionalities within the software, and then that way you can kind of break it down. You can have multiple videos on talking about different things, but promoting the same software, the same program, the same affiliate link, and getting more people to view your videos and clicking your links. I hope this makes sense, guys. This is really, really cool and awesome for anyone who wants to start using YouTube, but that is essentially how I am able to pump so much content out, because I extract little parts of the programs that I use and make videos on those specific things, and then just say, hey, click link down below, this is really awesome and I think it will benefit you, right? Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave those down below, and check out my Instagram at JulianTheMarketer, check out my blog.julianmarketer.com, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, hit that alert button so you know when I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.